The issues that the workshop covers are very important. When you first qualify and start working with colleagues who have a different background to you, you won't be aware of the issues that they find themselves up against in the workplace.
We really focus on unconscious bias and everything that comes out and around from that. How people can discriminate and they don't even realise that they're discriminating.
We make judgments about people so easily, and to be aware of those judgments that we make and to try to step back from them.
But the chance to run through some really complicated scenarios with colleagues from different professions is invaluable, and it might be the only time that you get the opportunity to do so before you qualify.
I thought it was interesting to get the chance to work with people from different disciplines, because I'm usually not involved with like the medics and people studying pharmacy, so it was interesting to get their perspectives on scenarios that they deal with.
I would recommend this workshop to other students. It's a rare opportunity to get together with other professions and to look at matters that could really make a difference to our patients in the future and how we care for them.
And the students work really well together to challenge each other, to overlay their own experiences that they've had and how they coped with it.
I thought it was really interesting because it's kind of like hopeful for a new generation of health professionals.
It makes me think that the future of healthcare is in very good hands.